Good morning, students. In the last video we are discussing about the glands, and we have started a gland, and gland name is pituitary gland. Name is pituitary gland. And today we are discussing about the parts of this gland. This gland has been divided into the mainly two parts: adenohypophysis, adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis and neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, and we can say it anterior tube. Adenohypophysis is developed from the phageal region. Developed from the phageal region as ectoderm outgrowth, and this makes the 75% of the pituitary glands, and this part made up of glandular epithelial cells. Glandular epithelial cells. Adenohypophysis have three parts. Adenohypophysis have mainly three parts, and first part is pars tuberalis. Pars tuberalis. This part like a collar around the stalk. This part is not clear in humans, so no hormones are secreted from it. And second part is intertubularis. This part is situated between the two lobes of pituitary gland. And only one hormone pars tuberalis. First part is pars tuberalis, and second part is pars intermedia, not intertubularis. Second part is pars intermedia. This part is situated between the two lobes of the pituitary gland. And only one hormone is secreted from this part, and it is ductless area. And third part is pars distalis. This is the bigger part of adenohypophysis, and 6 types of hormones secreted from here. 6 types hormones. And second part is neurohypophysis. First part is adenohypophysis, and this is divided into the mainly three parts: pars tuberalis, pars intermedia, and pars distalis. And neurohypophysis is a posterior part. Neurohypophysis. This part of neurohypophysis is developed from infundibulum of hypothalamus. Infundibulum of hypothalamus, and this is the 1/4 part of the pituitary gland. And it posterior part of the pituitary gland, which is white, and neurohypophysis has three parts. First part is pars nervosa. Pars nervosa. This part collects the hormone from neurohypophysis. It is swollen large part situated at the end of the stalks. Next, B part, mid eminence. This part located at the base of hypothalamus, located at the base of mid eminence. And C part is pituitary stalk. This part is situated below mid eminence. And now we are talking about the hormone secreted from the pituitary gland, and the first hormone secreted by the adenohypophysis part. And first hormone name is STH या GH, growth hormone या somatotropic hormone. Somatotropic hormone or growth hormone is growth stimulating hormone. The hormone itself is synthesized and stored in the adenohypophysis in the somatotroph cells. Somatotroph cells. The main role of this hormone, the promotion of linear growth. A variety of the tissues and hormones promote the growth in two major types. First, stimulation of protein synthesis. Stimulate. The function of STH, stimulate protein synthesis. And second, increasing amino acid transport. Increasing amino acid transport. Growth hormone stimulate many tissues, mainly the liver, and to produce substance known as somatomedium. These substances are capable of stimulating cell division and cell proliferation, and main actions of somatotrophy are here. First function is it increases the growth of soft and skeletal tissue. Second function is it enhances T cells proliferation. And it stimulates hepatic glycogenolysis to rise blood glucose levels. And disease. Next, the disease caused due to the hypersecretion and hyposecretion of adenophysis hormone. First is dwarfism. Hyposecretion of growth hormone. If less secretion of growth hormone, due to the less secretion of growth hormone convert into the dwarfism. These people are also called MIGATs. Second disorder is disease या disorder gingitism. This is caused This is gingitism. This is caused due to hypersecretion of growth hormone. Height of the man increase 7 to 8 feet. And next, acromegaly. The third disease is acromegaly. Acromegaly. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in the adults results increase in the size of jawbones. Jawbone. Arches of the cheeks also result increase in the width of bones. Increase in the width of bone and the result in disproportionate body structure. Body structure. And next is gonadotropic hormone. First hormone, these are the disease caused due to hypersecretion and hyposecretion of STH. And next hormone is gonadotropin. Gonadotropin hormone. The hormone excites the testes in men and women and in ovaries. Testes in men and women, these hormones are FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and HLH, luteinizing hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone or FSH stimulates the follicular development. Follicular development in the ovary of women. And whereas is male, in stimulate the Sertoli cells. FSH stimulate the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cell to initiate spermatogenesis. FSH regulate in similar way the luteinizing hormone inhibition allow the specific inhibition of FSH release and play an important role in menstrual cycle. And LH, in women, luteinizing acts as an ovaries to stimulate steroid hormone. To stimulate steroid hormone production, luteinizing hormone. And in males, LH hormone acts as a stimulate leading cells in the testes to secrete testosterone hormone. The control of LH is primarily by the gonadotropin releasing hormone produced by the hypothalamus. LH is regulated by the number of other hormones such as dopamine, prolactin, and the most important by the negative feedback from the sex steroids. And next, the third hormone is TSH, यानी thyroid stimulating hormone. Glycoprotein. This hormone regulates the growth and function of thyroid gland. The secretion of this hormone is stimulated by the thyrotropin hormone. Of hypothalamus. And next hormone is ACTH, adenocorticotropic hormone. This hormone control over the growth of adrenal cortex part or hormone secreted by this part. Next is LTH or MTH, lactogenic tropic hormone or prolactin or mammotropic hormone. This hormone is secreted by the lactotrope cells of pituitary gland. This hormone increases the size of the breast in the female during the pregnancy and stimulate the milk secretion during lactation. This is called lactogenic hormone. And next is MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, is produced by the pars intermedia. This hormone is expand melanin in pigment cells. It causes formation of moles, freckles and sunburns. This is the main hormone that are secreted from the adenohypophysis of the pituitary gland. And next hormone secreted by the neurohypophysis we read in the next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.